Hey you guys, good morning. Welcome back to my channel. I've missed you guys. I really have. It's been a minute, and I know it seems like now on every video I keep saying it's been a minute. Honestly, is this work life? Is this life that I didn't choose that says, "Oh, you have to wake up and you have to go grind and get some money." You know, at least for now, until you're able to do your own thing. So I'm so sorry guys. I'm trying to stay consistent, but I do miss you guys and I'm gonna try harder. To start off, I do want to say, happy belated Independence Day to my homeland of Ghana. I feel like I should play the national anthem right now. Alright, cool. Happy belated Independence Day. We are 62 years strong. I'm rapping. I'm not a historian, but this stuff really means a lot to me. And just to find out upon my own research how much Ghana has influenced really all around the world, it's very motivating to me, and it makes me know that I can't stay stagnant. If people back in the day were able to grind to get us our whole independence from the British, and the British have been big for a long time in history, then listen, I can grind and get me where I need to go. So again, my people are strong, my people are resilient, my people are talented, my people are funny, my people are amazing at cuisinery. We have the best jollof rice. Don't at me, don't argue with me, go argue with your auntie. This video today is going to be on a simple detangling and twist out. I really wanted to do this video, one, because I did purchase items from Revlon, and their packaging says that it's designated for or designed for natural hair. I don't really know Revlon to be for the sisters. I don't really know Revlon to have natural products that are designated to natural hair or 4C hair. So I wanted to kind of test it out, just because I do have their blowout brush. Works wonders for me when I am blowing out my hair, so I kind of wanted to give this a shot, see if Revlon is really out here for the 4C sisters, for the 4 sisters. Made up some mixtures of my favorite oils that I like to use, because when I do detangle my hair, I do use the lock method. So the lock method is liquids, oils, and creams, so in that order. So I'm going to kind of show you the oil that I mixed up and some of the products that I used to mix up, and yeah, that's what today's video is going to be on, detangling and twist outs. Okay, just my own personal routine that I have going. Yeah, so if you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Like, we should have a name. I know I don't have a lot of stands, but hey, you never know what tomorrow will bring. So I want to kind of have a name for us. I'm thinking like the Renaissancers, but I don't know if that's a mouthful. So if you guys are interested, definitely comment down below and let's come up with a name for my stands. For my stands. For my like 2-3 stands that I have. I think that would be pretty cool. But yeah, let's just get right into the video of how I do my natural hair detangle and twist out routine. smells so good. It was at this moment Kim knew that she had fucked up. What's gonna happen? I knew I was gonna spill it, and this is oil, so it's gonna stain my freaking carpet. Ah! The consistency of the Revlon twisting cream, it's like, it's not too thick, but it's not too like liquidy. It's somewhere in the middle, and it smells amazing. It just, the black seed oil in there, I don't know, it just smells like lavender. And it honestly, so far so good as far as helping my hair soften for the detangling process. I do like how it's making it very easy to kind of split my hair. I don't know if you guys can see me from all the way back here, but it just is, after I put the cream in, it's just making it very easy for finger detangling. The spray, I'm not sure really what that's really doing. It smells nice, so that's cool, but I don't know as far as the liquid what that's doing. I think that's actually for after like your whole twist out situation is done. I just like to spray my hair with like leave-in conditioners, but I guess, to be honest, like, this is not their fault. It doesn't say it's a leave-in conditioner. It's actually a reviving spray. So I guess this is after your whole detangling process. Maybe let's say the next day or the next 2 days, it's to revive your curls. So I think what I'm gonna do is tomorrow I'm gonna film with the spray and see if it does revive my curls, because I'm not really giving you guys the honest truth about the product if it's not really doing anything while I'm detangling my hair right now. I look crazy. You guys can see what a big head I have. Finally, all those people who have told me my whole life I have a big head, I believe you. Yeah, my twist out is complete. I'm sorry, no, my twists are complete, and the twist out will come later once the curls are all dried up. But so far so good. I really do like the twisting pudding from Revlon. You guys did your thing. This is pretty good. I really like it. I have shakeability. My hair feels very bouncy. It feels very juicy. It feels very moisturized. It feels like my hair is sucking in it's sucking in the product, so that is really good. It smells amazing, so that's always a plus. You don't want to be walking around, because I'm gonna go out a little later and I'm taking my twist out with me. You don't want to go out and just have your hair smelling like disgusting. So I do like the kind of lavendery smell that I'm getting from it. It says it has black seed oil. I don't know if it's the black seed oil that's giving it that scent. I don't know what kind of perfume they put in it, but it feels and smells like lavender to me, so that's good, because you know there's some elements of lavender that is good for natural hair. I haven't done that research, but I've heard. So yeah, but it's actually on its way to drying. I'm gonna go and get my nails done, and I will check in with you guys later when the twist out is ready for the show. So this is hours later in a different setting, and I'm going to untangle the twists. They are now all dry, and I'm going to go in with the Revlon curling custard, and this is again designated for natural, designed, I keep saying designated, designed for natural hair. I'm gonna use that to undo my twists. So my camera at the SD card is full right now. Two things. I want to show you guys my twist out and how it came out. Like the definition. Sorry, I don't want to ruin my makeup, but the definition, yo. Can we see? Can we get into it? This is probably like the best twist out I've ever done. And honestly, Revlon came through. Revlon's natural hair, black seed oil design, whatever you want to call it, it came through, because sis, this is literally the most defined twist out. My hair feels very moisturized. It's very shakeable, very juicy. This is the best twist out ever. I really like it. Do you guys see it? Yeah, so as I get my camera together because it's acting up, this is from my iPhone, and honestly, yo, this is amazing. Okay. So what I'm noticing is that it's making my hair a lot softer. The water kind of like woke up my curls, but the reviving is making it a lot softer and defining it actually. So final thoughts on the reviving spray. Definitely could see the difference. The water woke up my hair, and the reviving is kind of like redefining the curls again. And for some reason, I think this even looks better than yesterday's. Obviously has to dry, but I do notice a difference. This is pretty good. I will not lie. Again, I have my shakeability back. It has to dry some more, but yeah, final thoughts. I do like the reviving spray. I'm getting more volume after using the reviving spray. So I just wanted to add that little note there. And that's within like 5 minutes of me shooting the previous clip. This is definitely getting more volume. I love this. Honestly, Revlon, you did your thing. You did your thing. I'm convinced that you actually did your thing for the natural hair sisters, for the 4C sisters. Are you kidding me? Honestly, this is my favorite product of all time right now. And I've used a lot of natural hair products. So right now, Revlon actually is number one. This is like I said yesterday, this is the best twist out ever. And the reviving spray is just making me more of a believer. Like, what? It's getting bigger, and that's within minutes. Like, it didn't take long. My hair is drying faster and it's getting more volume. You guys, this is a definite get.